5.
Everything is awesome. Everything is cool when you're part of a team. Everything is awesome when we live in our dream. Everything is better when we stick together.
Lego history began in 1932 in a Danish carpentry workshop by Ole Christensen and continues into the 21st century as a line of popular and highly profitable construction toys, as well as related products and services such as Lego board games, Lego video games, Legoland theme park, and game consulting services, which has significant impact on various areas of popular culture. The name Lego is an acronym for the Danish word "leg godt," which means play well. It is the name of Lego company and the ideal they strive to achieve. The first Lego set that most Lego lovers agree on, which is number 234, or the Lego System Garage with automatic doors, and is also known in 1957. They relaunched this set with a modern brick design and it was a huge hit. The game is linked to the company's fundamental values of joy, creativity, imagination, learning and caring, and the corporation see this is as a valuable asset in establishing a great company culture. Since its inception, Lego has been a privately held corporation. Lego is currently not publicly traded on any stock exchange in the world, despite being a significant firm and a top-tier worldwide brand. Lego continues to grow as a company. Lego is a Danish toy company that manufactures and sells its goods all over the world. Lego manufacturers can be found in 5 countries: Denmark, Switzerland, the United States, Brazil, and Korea. The company's items are sold in over 130 countries in 1997. According to new research, Lego toy makers have emerged as the world's most recognizable brand following the coronavirus outbreak. Also, for second year in a running, Lego, which was launched in Denmark in 1932, has topped the World Reptile 100 Index.
Hi, my name is AINA AQILAH with the AIDIL. I'm from DBS 5F and my ID number is BDB2007082. In 2014, the Lego Group established a local community participation initiative to use volunteer employees to conduct seminar with local communities, teaching children all across the world. Lego has assisted 7 schools by designing a creative project with the goal of teaching and developing youngsters. The second one is the child. The child is a primary target that the corporation wishes to recruit and retain. That is why they want to cultivate special connection and care for them by fulfilling their needs, exceeding the expectations and assisting them in their personal growth. Lego Build the Change events are program who volunteer workshops have been produced by Lego. The purpose is to demonstrate that children's ideas, inventions, and creativity represent the future of Lego. This project takes shapes as youngsters use Lego brick to interact, express themselves, and create long-lasting memories. We move to the next part, which is during pandemic. For first point, during pandemic COVID-19, the Lego Group has joined forces with Save the Children to promote responsive caregiving and play-based learning technique for children aged 3 to 8 years, all on a state and national level. This endeavor will aid in the strengthening of communities in fight against COVID-19 by providing educational kits and play material for use at home, as well as educating parents and caregivers on cleanliness and responsive caring. We move to the next part, which is during pandemic. For first point, during pandemic COVID-19, the Lego Group has joined forces with Save the Children to promote responsive caregiving and play-based learning technique for children aged 3 to 8 years. For the last, the Lego Group will make a freely available online materials and play activities for students that build creativity abilities and instill the design.
I'm Nabilah binti Sulaiman and my student ID is BDB2007016. So today I'm going to explain about the advantages and benefits for the organization in conducting this CSR program. The first one is it builds public trust. By helping society by either through donating money or volunteering, the Lego company gains trust from its consumers. In the long term, the Lego company will become more and more popular, and one day it may get news coverage from press organizations, which is a huge push on the company's public relations side. CSR built a good reputation for the company. Second, it enhanced positive relationship. As the company built public trust, it also built a sense of community among its consumers. Even though communities are not directly connected to the company but its CSR, they may end up being proud of it. Thus, CSR can lead to a much healthier company-consumer relationship. Meanwhile, internally, it also attracts and retains the employees. When corporations exhibit philanthropic behavior or are doing good for society, they are more likely to provide employees with a positive workplace environment. The last one is encourage professional and personal growth. When Lego company have a culture of corporate social responsibility, they can easily promote volunteerism to their employees and encourage them to donate to non-profits. Employees are more likely to become individually philanthropically minded if their company encourage that behavior. Meanwhile, employees know that their employer is committed to bettering their local and global communities. They will feel more inclined to be productive and creative on their own.
My name is SOFEA BALQISH from TAZRI and my ID number is BDB20077077. Every success definitely has its challenges. Here I will describe two challenges faced by Lego companies while conducting CSR programs and how they overcome the problems. First challenge that Lego have faced is eco-efficiency issue. As we know, Lego being such a huge producer of plastic items, which is recognized to have several negative environmental implications and making a tough transition to sustainable products is fundamentally good for the entire planet. Many businesses do these socially responsible activities in order to obtain positive price, gain a competitive advantage, and increase revenues, and of course, Lego may be one of them. To overcome this problem, Lego has recycled 93% of the remaining bricks. Lego also says that 100% of all plastic waste created during manufacturing of Lego bricks has been recycled. Some of the plastic resins are used in the process while some of the waste is sent to suppliers to be recycled and turned into other plastic products. Second challenge is Lego ventures into offering digital play that can put children at risk. Taking a values-based leadership strategy allows us to adjust more quickly as employee and customer requirements and expectations change. Lego's basic products are the classic bricks that many of us are familiar with, but the company has actually recently expanded into digital play. While digital play allows children to interact with the Lego brand in new ways, there are concerns associated with allowing youngsters access to mobile devices. As a result of this risk, Lego took a values-driven approach to its digital experience, which prioritized kid protection. They also collaborated with UNICEF to create an industry-first digital child safety policy. Lego even aided in the development of a tool called the Child Safety Online Assessment, which aims to help our businesses to understand and manage children's online rights. We hope this can give you knowledge about the CSR activities implemented by Lego companies. That's all from us. Thank you.